How to find your tax file number on Mygov. Now, first things first is head over to their website, which is mygov.au. Now, once you already have an account, you'll just have to log in. And if you don't have an account yet, you'll have to create one. Now, if you are just applying for a TFN, these are the options that you can go. If you're an Australian citizen with an Australian passport, this is going to be your TFN application. And for Australian residents, this is also your TFN applications. Now, if you have linked your MyGov to your ADO app, you will be able to find your TFN directly to ATO application itself. Now, uh, you won't just be able to find your TFN, you will also be seeing your income tax notice of assessment. There will be letters that will be sent to you, a payment summary or income statement from your employer, and so on and so forth. Now, if you don't already have a TFN yet, you can apply a TFN at any age. However, if you apply online using MyGov ID, you must be 15 years old or older and have a passport. So, meaning if you apply for a TFN directly using this website, then there will be specific requirements for you to comply. So that's it. If you have linked your ADO app to MyGov, there's actually an option right there for you to be able to see your TFN beside your username or your complete name. So that's how you find your tax file number on MyGov.